In this short video, we're looking at how to answer a 4-mark AO1 question with the command word describe. And here it is: describe how Zimbardo investigated conformity to social roles, 4 marks. Now, this refers to the Stanford prison experiment. That's how participants conformed. Here it is: conformity, how they conformed. In other words, how they fitted in with their situations in the prison experiment context. That is, either as guards or as prisoners. Those were their social roles in the context. So, as I've said, the command word is describe, which is AO1. It's just straightforward facts. Describe, meaning give a factual step-by-step account. No explanations, no evaluation. And then how Zimbardo investigated, that's focusing only on the procedure. As I just mentioned, no explanations, no evaluation, just what he did. And then conformity to social roles, that's adherence, compliance. Social is group-based, and roles, positions, or functions. So I've kind of repeated myself to make it absolutely clear.
Quick reminder, if you'd like more free AQA A-Level Psychology resources, check the description below. There's a link to David's psychology course on the school community. Just follow the link and sign up to get access.
Use short, clear points. You need 4 marks, so 4 statements. Let's have a look at a sample here. I've done those in blue ink. You won't write point 1 setting, point 2 participants. You just write what's in blue. Point 1, you begin logically. Zimbardo set up a mock prison in the basement of Stanford University. It starts at the beginning. It's logical. Point 2, he recruited emotionally stable male volunteers and randomly allocated them to roles of prisoner or guard. Point 3, treatment of prisoners. Prisoners were arrested at home, blindfolded, strip searched, given smocks and ID numbers, and their daily routines were heavily controlled. And then treatment of guards. Guards wore uniforms, mirrored sunglasses, carried batons, and were instructed to maintain order. You see here, it's just a brief synopsis or outline of how he investigated the conformity to the social roles. What he did. Straightforward. That's all you need.